Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can export videos without the CapCut PC watermark. So to do that, you're actually just going to sign in to your CapCut, whether it's from TikTok, Google, or Facebook. So I signed in with my TikTok account, so I'm just going to do that. I'll just select authorized here and I'm just going to open CapCut. So whenever I open a project, I can actually export it without the CapCut watermark. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I'll just put a video on top here real quick. Um, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!